What's up, Jessica Squad? Today we are trying out some more cool Korean drinks in a bag. This is blueberry aid, mango coconut, black coffee, Americano, peach iced tea, and green grape aid. Look at this. This even says it's real and fresh. Here's the ingredients there.
Ew, grape was disgusting.
Actually, it is not real and fresh because you see first ingredients water and sugar. Here's the ingredients for the peach iced tea. We got some water and sugar again, and a little peach concentrate. Here's some coffee. The ingredients. I don't think they put ingredients. It's just brewed black coffee. Here's the mango coconut. Here's the ingredients on that. It's water and sugar and mango puree and then other items. And the blueberry aid. What's inside of the blueberry aid? This one does not say the ingredients in English, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be about the same, except for instead of mango puree, I might have some blueberry concentrate. So let's get these opened and taste test them.
Yep.
Woohoo!
I'm happy.
But Laura, say I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Which one you want to try?
That one.
Which one?
How about?
You want the blue one the best? Let's see if you know your colors. Which one's yellow? The yellow one? Where's the yellow one? Yeah, that's a yellow drink. Where's the black drink? Where's the pink one? Pink. 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 Look. Blue, yellow, black, pink, green.
Anyway, first up we're trying the blueberry. Yeah.
Oh, blueberry.
I'm gonna just give them a little just in case if they don't like it. Here we are. Oh, she wants a small cup, Mom.
You want the small cup?
I think it tastes like medicine.
Tastes like medicine.
Laura, okay. But Laura has glitter all over her, and she got glitter on my hand. I don't like it. Glitter is too annoying to get out of your eye.
It tastes like medicine.
Yeah, it tastes like medicine.
More.
You
More.
like it?
She likes it. Which one now? You want to try the pink one?
Yeah. I do.
Do you want to cut it or drip it?
I wish it was strawberry, not peach.
That's sweet. The drink is brown.
It looks like tea.
Why?
Mm.
I want to try the coffee.
You want to try the coffee?
Mm-hmm.
It's black. It's gonna be black coffee, okay?
I don't like it. Laura, this one?
Yeah.
For a second, it smells like. No, it kind of smells like Bean Boozle.
I want to try that one.
Mango Laura! Look
You
at
guys might not
this.
like it because it's just coffee, guys. It's plain coffee. I'll drink it
You
later
want
on
mango?
with
No,
some.
Laura, you want it? Come on.
No. Wait.
Okay, green. Go
Okay,
give it.
green. I'll give it to Laura. Wait, okay, I'll put on. I'll give you drink.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all sour.
Here, first try this one.
It's mixed up
First
with
one.
all the
No,
other
try. Fine. There.
Stop. Okay, hold on. Did you like the coffee?
It tastes like plain black coffee.
That's all it is, really.
stuff.
Do you girls want to rinse out your cup before we try the grape one?
No.
There comes the grape drink.
Yeah.
Well, Laura's very excited for this one.
It smells like that drink that comes with do you know that drink that's
What, aloe?
Yeah.
It smells like the aloe vera drink.
It's okay.
I think this is gonna taste the best, guys. It's mango coconut.
I like it, but it's like not the best drink, but Yeah, it's okay. I would say that's the best one out of all of them.
I was expecting it to be creamy looking, not clear
You
yellow.
can add some half-half to it. Sounds like it's a mailman.
Yeah, it smells bad.
Yeah?
It smells weird.
It smells sweet and creamy.
Mom,
It tastes good.
mine.
She wants more.
It's fine.
Girls, girls, girls. Which is the best flavor? I think you guys like the green is number one. Best
No, I
flavor.
like the mango best.
You like the mango the best, Soraya? Did you like the mango?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's
first,
okay. No.
Soraya's favorite one out of all of these is the green grape.
Or
Halona,
Which one?
Halona, your favorite one is which one?
Mango.
Halona says the best is the mango.
Pink?
Soraya
Yeah.
was the grape.
and Lauren is in the pink.
Yeah, I think Laura's favorite is the pink one. And later, I'm gonna probably put a little creamer in this with some ice to make an iced coffee. That will be my favorite one.
Yeah, but there's no. You cannot say that's your favorite if you're changing up the recipe.
Yes, it's gotta taste great straight out of the bag, right? I didn't even pay attention, but look it on the front of the package. It shows.
It says,
Careful. But look, I thought this was gonna be a pink, like a peach colored drink, but see, it shows us it's tea color.
I took mine in.
Bye. Well, Laura said yellow. Well, Laura said, like, yellow. To say yellow.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. No.
Okay, everybody, let's just take a look at which one has the most sugar. This one has 38. This one has 39 grams, 39 grams, 31 grams. This one has 43. 43 grams of sugar. The one with the most sugar is the grape. I mean, it's just a treat, so it's okay to have it every now and then. You could also probably freeze these too, like an ice pop that you can squeeze the bag up and have your ice pop inside. Come over, Peep. Are you gonna have a taste test? I think Peep would die from one little taste because it's too much sugar for Peep. She's so tiny.
Hey, thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. And that's so much cringe.